Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons are here in this device, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. As you can see now, by using these buttons, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here, let's slide a little bit down and focus on the useful features. In this category, we have to pick the shooting methods, where we have access to some shooting options. At the first place we have press volume key to option, so when we pick this we can decide what we want our volume keys in the cooperation with the camera have to do. So we can pick from take picture or record video, zoom and system volume. For now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera. Now let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, by tapping on this I can get closer to my subject, so I can use zoom, and by tapping on the second button I can easily go back. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.